Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepti. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my brows. It's a detailed video, so keep on watching. I am using this eyeshadow palette for my brows today. You can use any cream or powder or any pencils. I started by combing my eyebrow hair in upward direction and lining my lower line, then combing the hair in downward direction and lining the upper line. The idea behind is just to make the lines and after that filling the sparse areas. You can see I'm not doing one line in one go. I'm just making it with some short strokes. Trying to build the color. Now I'm filling the gaps in the middle area. You don't need a dark black color for your eyebrows. Just use a color tone according to your hair, or basically for the safe thing you can go with the dark brown. Not much lighter because it doesn't suit your skin tones. So I'm just filling it right now and combing again and again with a spoolie. You can see the difference in both of the eyebrows right now. Now whatever left in the brush, use that for your front of the eyebrows. Don't take extra product for that. Comb it again and again in between. After this, I'm using this concealer to carve out my eyebrows and taking a flat brush. You can use any concealer. I'm just making a line and dragging that product with the same brush. You can see how neat it makes your eyebrows. This is such an underrated step, but you have to do if you want a neat, precise eyebrows. After cleaning, I'm taking this wedge kind of sponge. You can take any blender. I'm just dragging that product and blending it into the skin so that you will not see any harsh lines for that concealer. Taking this pack transparent mascara, I'm just using this for setting my brows in place. You can use any eyebrow gel or any tinted gel also for this purpose. I'm just using a transparent one because I don't want to add much color to the brows now. It's already very sharp and very dark. You can see the difference before and after in the eyebrows. I hope you have loved the way how I do my brows, and if you have loved the technique and you want to see such kind of videos, do follow and subscribe for more such content, and I'll see you in the next video.